Welcome. In this video, we will solving a classic string and clip puzzle. On one side we have a clamp and on other side there is a bolt. Our goal is to free the clip. Let's dive in. As you can see, the clip is attached to the string with the clamp holding it one side and the bolt blocking the other. To solve this, we will need be carefully manipulate the string and free the clipper without forcing anything. We will start by guiding the clipper through this small opening. It requires careful positioning, but as we work the string through, we will see it start to loosen. Next, let's look at the bolt side. The bolt seems to be blocking the clip movement, but with the right rotation, we can slip a clip past it, and the string is free.